Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing pupillary light reflex. So let's say that we shine a light on a person's right eye. From the right eye, with the help of the optic nerve, we will be reaching the pretectal nucleus. Now remember that the nasal hemiretina of the eye will also be sending signals to the contralateral pretectal nucleus. But just to keep things simple, we will only be focusing on one side of the brain. So we have signals coming to the pretectal nucleus through the optic nerve from the retina. Now, from the pretectal nucleus, we will be sending fibers to the ipsilateral and the contralateral Edinger-Westphal nucleus. From the Edinger-Westphal nucleus, with the help of the oculomotor nerve or the third cranial nerve, we will be stimulating the ciliary ganglion. From the ciliary ganglion, we will be sending fibers that will result in the contraction of the pupillary sphincter muscle, resulting in meiosis or the constriction of the pupil. So all this is that when we shine a light on a person's right eye, for example, both of the eye pupils will be constricting because we will be sending signals to ipsilateral and the contralateral Edinger-Westphal nucleus. So let's do a question to kind of recap what we have discussed. In a case of a defect in the left ciliary ganglion, when light is shone on the left eye only, how do both eyes' pupils respond? Okay, so we said that the left ciliary ganglion is going to have a defect. So this is the left and this is the right. And we're shining a light on the left eye. Okay, so we're shining a light on the left eye. Remember that when we shine a light on the eye from the retina, we will have the optic nerve taking that signal to the pretectal nucleus. And from the pretectal nucleus, we will be stimulating the ipsilateral and the contralateral Edinger-Westphal nucleus. And with the help of the oculomotor nerve or the third cranial nerve, we will be stimulating the ciliary ganglion. Now remember that the left ciliary ganglion has a defect on the left eye, so we will not be able to constrict the left eye. But because the right ciliary ganglion is still functional on the right eye, we will still be able to constrict the right pupillary sphincter muscle, resulting in constriction of the right eye, of the right eye's pupil. So just to summarize, because of a defect in the ciliary ganglion of the left eye, we won't get a constriction of the pupil on the left, but because the right ciliary ganglion is still functioning, we will get a constriction of the right pupil. Here's a recap of the pupillary light reflex. This is what we discussed. This is a summary. I would suggest that you go over the picture on your own so that you know how this process works. This is very clinically relevant and is highly tested on exams. Thank you for watching.